Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to the channel. It's Sugar here, and today I'm going to be doing curly me hair. Let's do a quick unboxing. You see I get the hair itself. They also give you a glueless band, lashes, and 2 wig caps. Now getting into the hair, this is a Burmese curly in 24 inches. You can see it's 99J. This is how it comes. This is a 9x6 closure. You get the glueless band, the comb in the back, the drawstring, and the wig grip is built into the wig. The curls are so pretty. They have coils at the bottom. So let's get into this install. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses in my shade, and I'm just going to cover that closure from front to back, and make sure you get the tippies of that lace because we want this thing to be tinted all the way, just like that. I did forget to show you, but this wig does have 2 combs, one on each side of the closure. So this wig is very secure. It is definitely glueless. You can do that with no problems. Now I'm just going to go in with my hot comb to get those hairs out of the way, but I'm not doing it to the point where I'm messing up the curl pattern. I just want a good clean area to work with. So I'm going in with my E-band. I just put a little bit on that edge lace. I only spray it 1 good time. I really do it just to tack it down because I'm not 100% a glueless girl. I do like a good little melt. So this option is still glueless. It's not going to pull your hair out or ruin your edges, so no worries. Make sure you get those corners on the very end really good. Then I just blow dry it a little bit so that it's not super wet when I put my band on. I just hit it really good, and then I tie it down and I blow dry it again. So now that the wig is adhered, we're looking good. I'm going to get into my melting process. I always take whatever's left in the brush that I tinted my lace with, and I just blend and buff into that lace and onto my skin a little bit because we want everything to seamlessly blend into each other. I usually just take whatever's in my brush, but this lace had just a little bit of a white cast to it, and I feel like I notice that white cast more when the hair is red or of a certain color. But all I do is I go directly into the Ruby Kisses and really buffer that color into the skin and lace. I'm also going to use the same shade with an angled brush in my part to really make it pop. And I just rub and pat that color into the part, and it gives it a nice finish and makes the part look more realistic. So now the final part of my melting process is taking my melting spray. I used to use Spritz, but I love this so much more. This is the E-band melting spray. And I just take a little bit on my finger and I pat it right onto the lace, and just a touch past the lace. I mean, a very little bit past the lace to get the melted look that I like. Just pat it in really good. I blow dry it just a little bit again to get that extra moisture off of it. We want it to dry down some before we put our band on because the band will stick to it really badly. And then before I actually tie it down, I push the lace down again, get any extra dampness, and then I tie it down for real. And then I hit it with the blow dryer again to dry it. And this is how it came out. I think it looks really good. If you have any sticky spots where the band did stick, just take some alcohol, dab those spots away, and you're right back to where you need to be. Looks good to me. So now I'm taking my hot comb. What I do with closure wigs, right where the closure stops, I take my hot comb and comb straight down so that those hairs are kind of programmed to stay downward. They won't blow back as easy to show your real hair because like this hair is red. So obviously my hair is dark. Even with the dark ones, I do it, see? So everything looks good. And that's really it, y'all. I'm just gonna play with her. I kind of like it just a tad bit messy. You see the coils at the bottom. I'm gonna break those up just a little bit. But she is really out of the box, ready to go. No edges needed. I only have 15 minutes to install this wig, and I got it done in like 10. I kid you not, this was so easy. She's so cute. She's very romantic. I've been getting some romantic hair lately. What I'm going to do is take my mousse and some water. I'm not going to put it directly on the hair. Spray the water on my hand. I'm going to put the mousse in my hand just to get any flyaways. We want this thing to still look neat. And I'm going to put the mousse, like I said, on my hand just a tad, just a little bit. And we're going to get her together softly. I had never heard of this texture before, but it is so nice, y'all. It's so pretty. The curls are like deep and defined, but it's so soft. Like, I really like this. Again, this hair came from Amazon. I really like Curlyme because they're on Amazon. You get your stuff fast and it's quality. Like, it really is. Just look at her. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Make sure you hit the link below. Go check her out. She's affordable and ready for you, girl. And that's it. Goodbye, loves. See you next time.